Good morning, it is just past 5 a.m. and Nellie and I are up together for sunrise.
Yes.
Awesome. Normally it's just me, so I'm very happy that you've come along as well. But why are we up at 5:15?
Because we're doing something really exciting. We're going up in a hot air balloon.
A hot air balloon above Dresden city. I think it's gonna look really, really cool.
Yeah, it's my first time. I've never done this before, so.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Great. I have, but it was a long time ago. So I think it's gonna be a really cool perspective on the city. And you're not allowed to fly drones like right in the heart of the old town. So this is going to be the aerial perspective that we're looking for. So, should we go?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Air balloon.
So, jetzt guckt doch mal hoch, jetzt öffne ich oben mal.
Moment, also nicht so.
Ja.
Jetzt.
Öffne jetzt oben mal den
Danke.
Parachute. Und dann zur Landung wieder drauf.
We are up in the air, and as you may have guessed, it's extremely difficult to get all the shots. There's a lot happening in the background, I'm sorry. But yeah, we're up, which is great. It's
Yeah,
beautiful,
it's amazing.
beautiful sunrise over the Elbland.
We're lucky.
That sort of a team to attack this, and that makes things fun. So one of the huge advantages to being in a hot air balloon over having your drone is that you've got the big camera with you most likely. You've got the opportunity to change lenses and play with the light, and amazing. So as I was trying to say earlier, one of the huge advantages to being or a helicopter is this, having this is this. is this, having this kit, being able to change lenses, you know, the same sort of bird's eye as the drone, but the huge advantage is being able to change lenses. Change your aperture and get the shot.
Ja, Zeit fürs Landen.
And we are back down, finally.
Yeah, so you can finally talk again.
Without being cut off by the like, which is amazing to film, but at the same time, it's like impossible to vlog from a hot air balloon. Pro tip. So yeah, this morning, what I was trying to say was, we got up at what, like 4:45?
Yeah.
And we drove out to where the balloon was outside of Dresden, not very far. And we wanted to try and set up time lapses and try and get some A-cam vlog footage. There's a car going past.
We're shooting for Visit Dresden at the same time.
Exactly.
So we had to get as much footage as possible.
Yeah, we got this vlog plus the Visit Dresden vlog, which is the activities, which is why we're here. If you haven't seen those vlogs yet, go and check them out. I'll link those ones here. And it's just all a little bit hectic sometimes.
Yeah, of course.
So when you're trying to...
You get a briefing at the beginning, how to get in the balloon when. And if you're trying to do that while shooting, of course that gets in the way.
And in German.
Yeah.
But I think we still were able to get up and get some amazing images. And I hope enough footage too to make 2 really good vlogs. But what I was trying to say in the balloon is that for photography, like I'm so used to flying the drone that I'm so used to the Mavic Pro and those images, and realistically they're not great quality. They're okay for digital, but they're really difficult to sell. And the best way to get good aerial images is either in a helicopter, that's probably the best way, or in a hot air balloon. And I think we've shown that here this morning. Like the Moritzburg Castle.
We got extremely lucky. That wasn't even en route from what I understood.
Yeah, we were.
But we couldn't land earlier. That's why we flew over the Moritzburg Castle.
Exactly. You got really lucky there, and those images are just insane. They're so good. So I guess like the point of all this is that it's a little expensive to do the balloon rides, I'm sure all over the world, but if you've got a couple different lenses and you want to get some good aerials, definitely do a sunrise balloon ride somewhere.
For sure.
This one in Dresden did not disappoint.
No,
did
not
at all.
Yeah.
So let's share a whole bunch of the images because we've got so many, and I hope you guys like these ones. And we're actually going to sign off of the vlog here this morning because we're doing so much work for Visit Dresden on assignment that we've got a pretty busy itinerary. If you haven't, again, seen those videos, that is the Visit Dresden channel, which we're here to take over. And I'll link that in the description so you can go and see the videos we've been making for them, which are half English and half German.
That's right, first time,
But yeah, thanks again for watching. Hope you liked the video.
And we will see you on the next one.
Bye.